All right, welcome to today's trade recap. Today I made $0 trading NQ. Let's get into it. P&L. Well, I actually got break even, but all right. Let me just do a quick little summary of what happened today. Today, I was not like psychologically, like I was not there, and like I missed a very easy entry. I just missed it. There was really nothing else I could say. I just missed the very easy entry. Yeah, I was low on sleep. I think that this is just mainly my fault. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and act like, oh my goodness, like I just wasn't fast enough. No, like I've capitalized on setups like this before, like all the time, and just today I just missed it. Judas swing off open. Today I just missed it. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't locked in. I went to bed at like 3 a.m. yesterday, which I should have. I literally have on my whiteboard, like in my room, go to bed at 12. I stayed up past there. And then when I was checking out my rules, I was watching a YouTube video, which I literally have wrote in my rules. Like I remember one time I took a loss on demo because I was watching a YouTube video. Well, wait, am I recording on here? Okay. I remember one time I was watching a YouTube video while I was checking out my rules, like in school, like I was taking a trade on my demo, and then I remember I lost the trade, and I was like, I can't do this anymore. Like I can't sit here. No, I lost a trade or missed a setup, or like I miscalculated something, I remember, and I was like, I can't sit here and keep watching YouTube. Like I just need this to have my full attention. But for the past 3 days, I haven't taken a trade, and like I say I'm not upset about it, but in reality, I'm upset about it. Like I just want to be able to trade. I want to be able to post like winning trades to bring traction to my page on YouTube. So yeah, it's just a little unfortunate. I think that my psychology's messed up. I've started to pray about it a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna be deep in my scripture today because I just can't have this keep happening. You know what I'm saying? And it starts here. It starts here. So I didn't even finish checking off my rules. In my rules, it says mark what you want to see off open, and I didn't even do that. I was literally just watching YouTube. I was just goofing around. Like I take full accountability for today of why I did not hit this setup. And I think that the setup I did take was A+, but I still think that I should have hit this 30-second. So basically, we get this move down at market open. We sweep lows, we sweep these data lows, and we already sweep this in for our internal low. But we swept these data lows, right? So the buy is coming in today. Here's what I should have marked at open. Take the sell side, or sweep this 15-minute internal low. There's a 15-minute internal low, right? Yeah, this sweep this 15-minute internal low right here. And then boom, go to the upside. That's what I should have marked. It's not locked in today, guys. Like this is fully on me. Like I'm not gonna sit here and act like I was like, okay, after the trading day, after I got break even on my short position that I'm about to get into, I was like, dang, like I was like, I'm gonna keep it a bean. I was upset. The second I knew I was upset, I closed TradingView because I closed TradingView and went to my bed because I'm like, I don't want to over trade. I don't want to over risk like when I'm upset. I have a very strict 1 trade a day rule. I was upset, and then I was thinking, I was like, and I saw everybody posting hitting this long. I literally hit these plays all the time. I don't know. It's just today I was not here mentally. But like, the thing is that the markets aren't going to disappear. Like, I'm going to wake up Monday through Friday, and every day the markets are going to be here. And every time I'm going to have an opportunity to capitalize. So it's like, although I can be sad in the moment, there will be another setup tomorrow. There will be another setup next week. So in the grand scheme of things, it is what it is, man. Like, everybody misses setups, everybody takes losses, and yeah. So again, to the trade recap, we get a 1-minute inversion. It was a 30-second, right around here. I had it booted up on Trade of 8, so well, I actually didn't even have Trade of 8 open. Like, I don't know, I was just not locked in this morning, guys. But you would have gotten tagged in right here. Stop loss at the body. The body was like right here for the 30-second. Then you target this 1 hour, and this 1 hour, you play it out. You go break even at the 3. Well, actually, I was like, after I saw this setup, I was like, should I have gone break even at the 4 minute or 3 minute? And I'm like, bro, probably the 4 minute, but low key, just for discretion, like 3 minute, like, because like this is one of them like scenarios where you this is one of them scenarios where it's like you'll go like you're taking a lower time frame in the manipulation. So we got this, and then boom, smashed full TP. If you took that, type W's. I was not paying attention, like a little bit upset at myself, but it's okay. We'll get it back tomorrow, or we'll get it back the next day I trade. We get a resweep in here. Then we get this short right here. I took this short on MNQ. I entered with 3 contracts. This was the exact play. Sell, 3 sell. Stop loss right here. Take profit right here for $660 on the day. First candle, very good displacement. We take this low. We're gunning towards this. And then I went break even right here because we swept this 15-minute internal low. In reality, I'm not upset at this break even. I feel like it was a good play. Because like we should flush this low right here, and then boom, break even got hit. And then chop, we take the low. I think it was A+, so I'm not upset about that. I'm just upset that I was lackluster in the morning, but I'm gonna journal it. And I'm gonna review. I like to journal Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whether I trade or not, my thoughts and everything. And then I will go into the weekend on Saturday, and I will spend some time on the charts, replay. Like I'll just like, let's say it's Monday's trade. I'll go to Monday. Let's say I hit a trade Monday, and I'll just restart the price action. Like it's just a little bit of way to back test every week to make sure I'm really learning everything. Today was just a psychology thing. It wasn't like I structurally didn't know what I was doing. It was like I saw the 30-second playing out, and I was like, wait a minute. And I was like looking at TradeAvate, and I was like, wait a minute, why am I not in this trade? This is A+. I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't enter this. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna see everybody post when they hit this junk. But I didn't take it, and yeah. But the rest of the day was chop. The lesson for today, bro, just pay attention. Like, never watching YouTube again while I trade. Just not doing that. I was watching Black Boy Max, like, PBM, you sold me. I've been actually watching Black Boy Max since like 2021, 2022. W. If y'all watch Black Boy Max, let me know, bro. And yeah, I just wasn't locked in today. Wasn't even checking. I didn't even finish checking off my rules. Like, I have 2 rules. What do you think the overall draw on liquidity is today? And then I checked that off. And then mark what you see on off open. I did not check that off. And that would have helped me be able to be prepared for this. I like when I mark what I want to see off open, and then it just does it. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I already planned for this to happen, so I can execute. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's trade recap. A little bit of a bad day for me, in my opinion, but we're gonna get back at it. Everybody misses trades. I'm not gonna be perfect on these markets, and one missed trade doesn't define my trading skills. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's trade recap. I will see y'all boys tomorrow.